to get started with this, you might want to go around and prep your baseboards and put tape down below. With this particular type of fauxing, it's really not necessary that you have to do that, but you do need to have that clean rag handy, because if you do happen to get some of the faux down on here, which is inevitable and it is going to happen, you can just take your rag and wipe it off quickly and you'll be able to get it off. It should come off right away. Also, at the same time, you might want to go ahead and wipe it off before you put the tape on, because this always gathers dust. Okay, so no matter where you live or what you do, this is going to have dust on it. So you want to make sure that you dust it first before you put the tape on it, or it won't stick. So, and we put the tape on there. Also, if you like, you can take off your switches and your plates and then we'll give you a beautiful faux all the way up to the edge of these. Or you could try to tape them off. We just take them off. That way, it's much easier that way. And also to add, when you are doing your fauxing, inevitably, it always happens, even to me, we're going to drip some on the wall. Okay, so if you just make sure, very important, to wipe that drip off immediately, because if you let it dry, then you'll have more issues and trying to resolve that later.